Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to install Bing/Microsoft Ads conversion tracking. I think it used to be called Bing, they renamed it Microsoft Ads, but essentially it's the same thing. So this is actually a great source of traffic because again it is an older demographic. Older people tend to buy PCs. Bing is the default search engine. A lot of people don't change their default search engines if they're not tech savvy. So you get a lot of older traffic coming from Bing, which our industry's typical demographic is skewed to the older side because people need to have equity, and 21-year-olds don't have equity. Okay, so what you're going to need for this is, first of all, you want Google Tag Manager installed on your page for sure, 100%, because this is going to make it 10 times easier. If you don't have that, go and watch the video on how to do that. And then you're going to need your seller site set up, and then you're going to need a Microsoft Ads account. You can get one at ads.microsoft.com, sign up for a free account. And then once you're inside of your account, you're just going to click Tools here, click UET tags. Okay, that'll bring you to this page. Click Create UET tag. I already got one here. Then once you've created it, just go ahead and copy this ID right here, this tag ID. Then what we're going to do is we're going to hop over to Google Tag Manager. Now, this is why we use Google Tag Manager, because watch how fast this is. I don't have to do any code editing or anything. I'm just going to put in Bing UET all pages. I'm going to throw the tag ID there just so it's easy to know. And then there's a pre-built connector here that comes with it. It's called Microsoft Advertising Universal Event Tracking. Pop in your ID right there. Make sure there's no spaces. Let's copy this for the next one. And then triggering this one, we're going to trigger on all pages. Click Save. Now we have Bing page tracking installed. Now, of course, we want to do conversion tracking as well. And we have two different conversions. We could track here. We could track the phone clicks, or we could track the lead form submission. So I'll show you how that works. We'll click New here, and we'll say Bing. This one will be lead form, or we'll just call it new lead. Bing-new lead. Just for consistency. Come in here, scroll down to grab that again, pop in your ID once more. Now, instead of page load, what you're going to do is you're going to put custom here, skip over goal value, category, put new underscore lead. Under action, we're going to call this lead underscore form underscore submission. Okay, you can leave the rest. Trigger, we're going to fire this off on new lead form contact submission, custom event that we created earlier in one of the previous videos. Click Save. And then let's do one more for phone number clicks. So we'll say Bing phone number clicks and tag configuration. Scroll back down here, grab this, pop in the UET tag ID. We're going to do custom again. Category, we're going to do new lead. Action, now we're going to do phone underscore number underscore click. And we're going to trigger this when someone clicks on their phone number. Click Save. And if you want to go test this again, you can just click Preview. Paste in whatever URL you're testing. Click Connect. Let's see if this connects this time, or my pop-up blocker blocks it. Yeah, we're good. And I'll just test this phone number. Okay. Bing phone number clicks. Boom, just fired. Okay, now it's only going to track that into the count if I came off an ad. Okay, so that conversion is not going to show up in the count because I didn't just come off an ad. Okay, you want it that way. It's designed to be that way. But if someone comes off an ad, that's going to fire. And that cookie will be installed in the computer that will let Bing know that, hey, they came off an ad, and that will track as a conversion. So this is all good to go. I could go through the lead form and test the entire thing. Definitely recommend doing that if you're not super familiar with Google Tag Manager, but this all looks good. So I'll go ahead and click Submit. Ads tracking added, and we'll publish this. Always make sure to publish because otherwise it doesn't go live on your site. So that's it. Just in a few minutes, we got Bing ads installed on the page, and we're now ready to run our ads and hopefully get a lot of high quality clicks to our page that hopefully will turn into a lot of leads and a lot of deals for our business. So thanks for joining me today. Hopefully it was useful. If there's anything I didn't cover in this video that you would like me to cover, please let me know down in the comments below so I can make sure to cover it in a future video. Thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you next time.